Hey, good morning, guys. It's HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hope you're having a great day so far. We're headed out to check out a 3-bedroom, 3-bath RV garage homes, one of the cheapest RV garage homes for sale in Lake Havasu right now. Hang out and check out with us, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 3691 Tarpon Drive. Nice, clean little neighborhood. Nice houses around. No junk. Very nice little neighborhood. So you got the property line right here between the water boxes. So you got a ton of side parking as well. So you got this cool little courtyard. House probably needs some stuff, you know. It is one of the cheapest RV garage homes on the market right now. So it probably needs paint. Looks like original paint. All right, so this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath built in 1993, 1,508 square feet. It's on a big lot, over 14,000 square feet. Nice carpet, probably use a cleaning, come right up. It's got a nice rear kitchen, laminate counters. It's actually pretty clean. Your view out the kitchen window. So you got your master, indoor laundry, and garage door to the outside. Let's check out the master. Nice, good size master. Slider out to the back patio. Carpet's in decent condition. I would get it just chem dry or something, come super clean. Master bath has dual sinks. Little shower and toilet with a pocket door. Another little closet. Walk-in closet. So this is your standard split floor plan, vaulted ceiling layout, typical to Havasu. This is bedroom number 2, rear of the house. Standard sliding glass closet doors. You have your guest bath, solid surface counters. It's pretty clean. Just your fiberglass shower. Got bedroom number 3 at the front of the house. Carpet is in good condition in both bedrooms. So you have your indoor laundry. It's got your little beer fridge, some shelving. All right, so you have a 2-car garage that's 21.8 feet deep. Has your standard 7-foot door. Doors are also insulated. So the 3rd bathroom is actually at the back of the garage. It's got a shower, toilet, and then you have all your RO, water softener, hot water. So you have this, what is probably an add-on. It's a 45.11 foot deep RV garage with a 12-foot door, also insulated, has skylights, looks like it's swamp cooled as well. Doubt it works, but also has a drive-through door, which also looks to be 12 feet. So the RV garage side is 12 feet wide, has full hookups, including a dump, water, 50 or a 30 amp. All right, so it's got a real nice little back patio, real private, peaceful. This again is a big lot, 14,375 square feet. Little paint chipping here and there. Looks like it's probably the original paint on the house. Easily fix. Got some fruit trees down there. He has a view deck on here. Go up and check it out in a minute. Tons of side parking and access down here. Tons of room for a pool or a casita or whatever you wanted to do. So we're up on the view deck. Nice lake views. There's a little wood issues. The water's gotten down in there. Easy to replace that. Another little pop. All in all, pretty good condition. The roof looks good. Get tons of parking. Got the wall that's stucco to grade, so you probably need to scrape and paint that at some point. So you have nice drive-through access from the RV garage into the backyard. Plenty of space. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walkthrough. If you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. I'll also put a direct link to the listing detail page so you can see the pictures and listing detail and stuff. So anyways, you guys have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon.